All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the pre-markets update, and S&P 500 is down about 0.5%. Nasdaq is down 0.6%. VIX is going up. It's up about 4%. Nvidia is down 1.12%. AMD is down 1.5%. Meta is down 0.7%. Amazon is almost 1%. Google is down 0.9%. Microsoft is down 0.5%. Netflix is down 0.5%, and oil is going up. It was a few minutes ago. It was about 114. It's coming down now. Gold is down 4.5%, and silver is down 9%, more than 9% actually. So it looks like it's not a good day for metals. And oil is climbing up due to the war. But if you look at the overall markets, they are quite resilient still at the moment. It's not going below 200 SMA for S&P 500. And if you measure from the higher highs, we are down almost about 5.5%, which is just a pullback. We are not in a correction phase. And if we look at the Nasdaq is still hovering around 200 SMA. So let's measure it from the higher highs from January, and we are looking about 7% down. So again, it's not below 10%. So we are still now in a pullback phase. So what would I be doing tonight? I'm looking at gold and silver. If you look at gold is hitting 100 SMA. So I might sell some put options on GLD, which is the ETF for gold. And I'm looking around 385, 380 level if the premiums are good. And I think premiums would be quite attractive tonight because gold is down about 4.5%. Same as silver, I did sell a put option on silver on SLV, which is again the ETF for silver, for about 55 level. And I will be selling more put option at around 200 SMA, so about $50, and collect some premium. I don't mind holding silver at these levels, and if I get assigned, then I will be doing a wheel strategy, so selling call options. In terms of buying shares, I'm looking at Meta. Meta is looking quite attractive at 611, so I'll be looking to slowly buying that below 600. So if you get around 580, 590 level, I'll start accumulating. Same for Microsoft. If you look at Microsoft is about 390, and it's hitting the support level. So that looks quite attractive. And last time it came here, it just bounced back. Unless we see a major downside on the markets, I think we are on most of the stocks. We are hitting the support level. Google is still looking quite elevated. I don't like the valuation here. I still have some shares, so I'm not planning on doing anything at the moment. I'll just wait and watch. If we measure it from the higher highs, we are almost down about 12.5%, but it's still looking very expensive to me. Amazon is just going sideways. It doesn't have any direction. It's not going up or down. It's just moving sideways. But we did make a lower high, so it can go down to 195 level. And if it gets there, I'll be accumulating some more shares. AMD, I did sell a put option for about 135 and collected about $50, $60. So I'll be selling some more put options as the premiums are quite high on AMD because it's quite volatile. Let's have a look at the Nebius. Nebius is down 3%. I don't own any shares in Nebius as I do have lots of Nvidia and I do have exposure from that. So I'm not doing anything with Nebius. If you look at Celsius is down about 0.7%. I did buy some shares on Celsius here and I sold for I think about 10-15% profit. Let's move on to SoFi. and SoFi is hitting the support level, and it's looking quite attractive here. It's down almost 1.7%, so this is a good area to accumulate some shares or buying call options. So that's my plan for tonight. Let me know in the comments what you guys are, if you're buying anything or selling anything, or if you're selling any put options or call options. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.